The Macanike KT84 is a remarkable retro-style mechanical keyboard that seamlessly blends the aesthetics of a typewriter with modern technology. The KT84 is an 84-key mechanical keyboard that combines futuristic screen elements with a nostalgic retro typewriter appearance. It's not just a keyboard. It's a representation of the latest trend in keyboard design. This 9.1-inch dot matrix screen supports custom patterns, colors, and animation effects. Users can create their own pixel animations and share them in the Macanike open community, fostering creativity and interaction. The 490 dot matrix screen allows users to customize patterns, colors, and animation effects, making the KT84 highly personalized. The KT84 is The EZG Manufacturing PM1 Air is a versatile tool designed to simplify the installation of pavers and other supported materials. The PM1 Air features a vacuum pickup venturi with a control valve installed on the T-handle. This allows operators to lift materials weighing up to 75 pounds. Utilizing compressed air, the PM1 AIR offers a reliable and powerful mixing process. Air-powered operation ensures smooth performance and reduces the risk of electrical hazards, making it suitable for various construction sites. The high mixing capacity and efficiency of the PM1 AIR enable users to prepare large amounts of material quickly, significantly boosting productivity on the job site. The portable design allows for easy movement around the job site. The Kaeri Robot Labs hoverboard is a state-of-the-art self-balancing scooter designed to provide a fun, efficient, and eco-friendly mode of transportation. Known for its advanced technology, sleek design, and user-friendly features, the hoverboard caters to both recreational riders and commuters. The hoverboard is equipped with sophisticated self-balancing technology that ensures a smooth and stable ride. Gyroscopic sensors and accelerometers continuously adjust to maintain balance and provide a comfortable experience. The device is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers long-lasting performance. It provides ample range per charge, making it suitable for both short commutes and extended rides. Hoverboards are often used in tourist areas for guided tours, allowing visitors to explore sites and attractions. The EAM wireless controller is a high-performance gamepad designed to enhance the gaming experience across various platforms. Renowned for its ergonomic design, responsive controls, and versatile compatibility, the EAM wireless controller is a popular choice among gamers. The EAM wireless controller is designed with ergonomics in mind, providing a comfortable grip that minimizes hand fatigue during extended gaming sessions. Its contoured shape fits naturally in the hands, ensuring a pleasant gaming experience. Equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the controller provides hours of uninterrupted gameplay on a single charge. The USB-C charging port allows for quick and convenient recharging. The controller includes motion sensing technology, enabling intuitive control for games that support motion input. This adds an extra layer of interaction and immersion to the gaming experience. The ergonomic design reduces strain on hands and wrists. The Bhaptics Tactsuit is a cutting-edge wearable haptic feedback system designed to enhance the immersive experience of virtual reality, VR, and gaming. By incorporating advanced haptic technology, the Tactsuit allows users to feel physical sensations corresponding to in-game actions and environmental factors. The Tactsuit is equipped with multiple haptic motors, vibration actuators, distributed across the body, providing detailed and localized feedback. This enables users to feel a wide range of sensations, from gunfire impacts to subtle environmental effects. Utilizing wireless technology, the Tactsuit seamlessly connects to VR systems, PCs, and gaming consoles. This ensures a smooth and untethered experience, allowing for unrestricted movement. The Tactsuit is powered by a rechargeable battery that offers extended usage time, ensuring users can enjoy long gaming or VR sessions without interruption. The Tactsuit supports multiple platforms, including PC, VR headsets, such as Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and Valve Index, and some gaming consoles, making it a versatile choice for various types of immersive experiences. Compatible with major VR platforms and comes with an SDK for custom integrations. FirstRec is an innovative personal recording and media management device designed to simplify and enhance the process of capturing, storing, and managing audio and video recordings. Ideal for a variety of professional and personal applications, FirstRec combines advanced recording technology with user-friendly features to deliver a versatile and reliable solution. FirstRec is equipped with advanced audio and video recording capabilities, ensuring high-quality capture of sound and visuals. This makes it suitable for professional-grade recordings. FirstRec ensures that all recordings are of professional quality, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The SKyscraper with Telescopic Pole is an advanced tool designed for cleaning, maintenance, and inspection of high-rise buildings, skyscrapers, and other tall structures. Combining the reach and flexibility of a telescopic pole with innovative features, this device significantly enhances safety, efficiency, and convenience for professionals working at heights. Constructed from high-quality materials such as carbon fiber or aluminum, the telescopic pole is both lightweight and durable. This ensures ease of use and longevity, even with frequent, heavy-duty use. Despite its ability to extend to great heights, the SKyscraper with telescopic pole can be collapsed into a Atlasnest is an innovative outdoor sleeping solution designed to offer comfort, convenience, and safety for adventurers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Combining the best features of a hammock and a tent, the Atlasnest provides a unique and versatile shelter that is ideal for various outdoor settings. Constructed from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, the Atlasnest is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The fabric is typically made from ripstop nylon or polyester, which is lightweight, breathable, and durable. The Atlasnest comes with a waterproof rainfly that provides protection against rain, wind, and other elements. The rainfly can be easily attached or removed, depending on the weather conditions. Designed for quick and easy setup, the Atlasnest typically includes a suspension system with adjustable straps and carabiners. This system allows users to securely and efficiently hang the Atlasnest between trees or other anchor points. LaundryJet is an innovative laundry transportation system designed to simplify the process of moving clothes from various locations within a home to the laundry room. Using a network of pneumatic tubes, LaundryJet efficiently transports dirty laundry directly to the washing machine or designated laundry area, saving time and effort. The core technology behind LaundryJet is its pneumatic tube system, which uses powerful air suction to transport clothes through a series of tubes installed within the walls of a home. This system ensures quick and efficient movement of laundry. LaundryJet systems can be installed with multiple access points throughout the house, such as in bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets. These access points allow users to easily deposit laundry without carrying it across the house. The system is designed to automatically collect and transport laundry to the designated collection bin or directly to the laundry room. This automation reduces manual handling and streamlines the laundry process. The JMGO U24K is a state-of-the-art ultra-short-throw laser projector designed to deliver an immersive home theater experience with stunning 4K resolution and advanced imaging technology. Combining sleek design, powerful performance, and smart features, the JMGO U24K is engineered to transform any living space into a cinematic haven. The JMGO U24K projector offers a breathtaking 4K ultra-high-definition resolution, 3840 by 2160 pixels, ensuring crystal-clear images with incredible detail and vibrant colors. This high resolution enhances the viewing experience, making it ideal for movies, sports, gaming, and more. The projector utilizes a laser light source, which provides superior brightness, color accuracy, and longevity compared to traditional lamp-based projectors. Laser technology ensures consistent performance and a longer lifespan, typically up to 20,000. The Cobalt WE64 is a professional-grade microphone designed to deliver exceptional sound quality and reliability for a variety of audio applications. Renowned for its robust construction and superior performance, the WE64 is a versatile choice for studio recording, live performances, broadcasting, and other audio recording needs. The Cobalt WE64 is engineered to provide pristine sound capture with a wide frequency response and high sensitivity. This ensures that it can accurately reproduce audio across a broad spectrum of sounds. The WE64 is designed with low self-noise circuitry, ensuring that it captures audio with minimal background hiss. The TY3R Flying Lifebuoy drone is a remarkable advancement in water rescue technology. Developed by Chinese company DIDIOK Makings, this innovative device combines the functionality of a quadcopter and a lifebuoy, designed to swiftly deliver flotation assistance to swimmers in distress. The TY3R is essentially a cross between a quadcopter and a lifebuoy. When shore-based rescuers spot a struggling swimmer, they can fire up the drone, fly it out to the person, and land it on the water. The swimmer can then use it as a flotation device. Equipped with a single-axis camera, the TY3R provides a real-time 720p HD camera feed, even when direct line of sight is impossible. Rescuers can monitor the situation and guide the drone effectively. Upon reaching the stranded swimmer, the TY3R lands on the water's surface and transforms into a reliable flotation device. It can support up to 2 adults simultaneously, constructed using high-strength composite materials.